Hi, I'm Brad Batesel, and welcome to SEO for Local Visibility. In this course, we'll take a look at what local SEO means and how it differs from traditional SEO. Throughout this course, I'll be giving you the tips and tools necessary to promote your business via search. I'll walk you through how ranking on a search engine, primarily Google, works, and what criteria are important to pay attention to. We'll also discuss how to conduct keyword research, optimize your website, and measure the performance of your efforts. Additionally, I'll show you how to manage businesses with multiple locations, gain high-quality backlinks, build your Google My Business listing, and how to leverage local reviews. This course is a great place to start if you're looking to increase the visibility of your local search results, understand what your competition is doing, or to get a bigger picture as to how local SEO works. Let's get started.